Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Red Magic 8 Pro device, and now I can show you top 3 bad themes for this smartphone. So one of the best themes for this device is Niagara launcher. Niagara is really simple and it's have no any 9 features icons or something about it. So here, as you can see, we have only several favorite apps on our home screen and alphabetical line to find anything you need. For example, if you want to find the YouTube, just tap your finger on the alphabetical line and drag it to Y. Here you have YouTube and YouTube Music. If you want to find the Play Store, just tap on P button or tap on any else and swipe it to P. Here you will see the Play Store. So it's very easy and fast, so I suggest you this launcher. On the second place in my top is Smart Launcher 6. Smart Launcher 6 is better than 5 or short version of this launcher. It's really good, it's minimalistic, it's beautiful. Here we have a use, and here we have favorite applications, and not favorite only, but all applications, our applications menu. But here we have grouped all applications by automatic groups, so you are downloading the application. For example, if you will download Spotify, if this application will show it here in the media folder. And here we have the beautiful wallpapers gallery. Let me show you how it works. Of course, here we have premium, but in premium we have only widgets and premium wallpapers. But the free wallpaper gallery is the best gallery you can find. For example, and wallpapers here updating in this menu, updating every day. So only new collections and leave wallpapers for pro users, but for normal users, the best wallpaper you can use. So click OK, allow, and of course this wallpaper will be applied not only for the smart launcher but for all launchers on your device too. Cool. Okay, and the last launcher on the first place, this is Microsoft launcher. So I rarely give in the first place for Microsoft launcher. It's because it's because Microsoft launcher is too heavy to really big amount of devices. But in our case, we have really powerful smartphone, and this device is good handled with Microsoft launcher. Why I love it? Because here on the left panel we have all our widgets we need, and we don't need to swipe between thousands of home screens to find desired widget. Here in the main menu we have alphabetical line and hidden apps feature. It's really cool. And the killer feature of this launcher, second killer feature of this launcher, is the gestures. So here you can set up any gesture to open, for example, any app. For example, I want to open the calculator. When I swipe an app, it's 2 fingers. So you can now think that this is joke or toy for children, so nobody will use it. But no, I swear, if you will try, you will love it, and you will not be able to use iPhones after it, because it's really very fast to open applications you need. You can set up your workflow kindly using this feature. So okay, thanks for watching. That's it. Thanks for watching again, and bye. See you.